Hey everybody, let's make it real. You can find poll numbers that suggest that the approval rating for a Congress is as low as 10%. And with a plus or minus margin of error of 3, that means it can go as low as 7%, maybe even 5%, depending on the polls that you look at. But when you look at this chart here, or these two graphs that are provided by opensecrets.org, you'll notice that the re-election rates of members of the House and members of the Senate are astronomical. Members of the House and Senate have name recognition, the ability to fundraise, they have a record to run on, and in the case of members of the House of Representatives, their seats are gerrymandered, or their districts are gerrymandered, so that there is one particular party that is always going to win a particular seat every 2 years. So when you look at these charts and you see the numbers, in 2018, the re-election rate was in the 90s, and you go all the way back and look at the United States Senate. The re-election rate in the United States Senate in 2018 was 84%. Specifically with the House of Representatives, it was 91%. It's been as high as 98% in the House of Representatives, let's say back as 2004. And in 2004, 96%. So what that means is that even though we have an approval rating of Congress as a whole at 10%, let's say, what the public is really saying is that we may not like Congress as a whole, but we do like our congressmen specifically who represent our district and our senators who represent our states. So if you are a challenger and thinking about running for Congress or running for Senate, you have to take these numbers into account, that it's very difficult for you to beat an incumbent.